Then you have to decorate your house, which clearly I suck at. I'm doing the best I can, Charmaine!
I just got my faux poinsettias out of storage and they have been smushed in a storage thing. They look terrible and I cannot use them as is. So I'm gonna see if I can steam them because the leaves are all, you know, crushed and they just look so bad. So I'm gonna put a travel steamer on them and see if it'll work. I finished steaming. They look so much better.
This year I tried to recreate something I saw at my church. They made the stage a winter wonderland and I wanted to do it at home. So I started with poinsettias and getting small trees and I put them all around the hearth, and then I added twinkle lights. So white lights with a white cord so that it wouldn't show through the snow, which is like the, you know, cottony stuff that, you know, it's kind of batting that you put in pillows. And I love how it turned out. It's very magical. It looks so great at night. I love how the twinkle lights shine through the snow. It really looks, I mean, truly, it's magical. Like if Narnia had a lot of poinsettias, that's what my living room feels like this year. I knew I wanted our breakfast room to be bright and festive, so I used my favorite wired velvet ribbon in pink, green, and turquoise. I used zip ties to attach it to the garland, and then once that was secured together, then I hung the garland on the wall with small cup hooks and with a few thumbtacks. After it was on the wall, then I added a few little embellishments of faux eucalyptus. I added the same matching ribbon to a magnolia wreath, and then I framed photos of my kids through the years with Santa, and of course I like the crying one.
And now it's time for a Christmas tour.